My name is Hilary. I am here today to tell my story about my recovery through addiction and how Time to Heal and Andrew Louisi helped me through that.
Hi, I'm Amanda Hodovic. We're sisters.
When I first met Andrew in Time to Heal, it was 9 years ago. I was depressed. I was extremely lonely. I was isolating in my bedroom. I was using drugs and alcohol to basically kill myself. You know, every time something would come up in my life that I couldn't deal with, my drinking would just increase. I had explored so many other forms of counseling and nothing was sticking, nothing was resonating with me. I was feeling super defeated and just drinking to kill myself at that point. This was not a long-term sustainable plan for my life. Took the 2 bottles of vodka I had in my bedroom and I poured them out the window and I said, God, if you have a plan or there's something more for me, then show me, because I'm giving up right now. Like, I surrender. Within a week of meeting Andrew, I started healing boot camp. So basically for the next 3 years, he was my full-time babysitter and he took me with him everywhere. I had relapsed twice and I was a high risk for drinking when I was by myself. At first I fought it. I really didn't appreciate it. I felt like I was being monitored. I felt like I was being told what to do. What did I do for the next 3 years? He taught me how to meditate, exercise. It was really humbling. I couldn't see that I was worthy of creating the life that I actually desired, but he could see the potential in me. I started becoming very involved with community, so he could see that being involved with people and being involved in community and holding me accountable to the actions I was doing was a way to keep me sober and keep me on the right path. I love singing, I love dancing, I'm a natural performer. Life is meant to be fun, life is meant to be enjoyed. And over the years when I would start to struggle and beat myself up and feel shitty about who I was, he would always find a way to take that and flip it around and make light of situations. Go and watch plays or movies, just things that really inspired me and helped me focus on positive things that I also desired to accomplish in my own life. Being part of a community has given me more of a purpose and it's helped me to see the value that I have. Before, when I was isolating in my bedroom, I didn't think that people wanted that energy around them. It was sad and self-loathing. And the more I engaged with community, the more I could see that I had a lot to offer. And it helped me to see more of my purpose in life,